of polynomials. Here arithmetic operations, we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here we are going to see about addition, subtraction and multiplication. First, addition of the polynomial means addition of the polynomial. If you want to add the polynomial means, first of all the polynomial must be in the like terms. That is, for example, we take it as 4a is the one of the term, 9a is another term. If you want to add these two polynomials means 4a plus 9a, 4a plus 9a is equal to 13a. Here also we have the variable a, here also we have the variable a, and then variables power both are equal, then we can add it. Only these terms are called like terms, right? So sum of this term is equal to 13a. This is the answer. Suppose it is an unlike term, that is 4a square 9a cube. See, the variables are same. Here also a, here also a, but the powers are differ. The powers are differ. So a square plus 9a cube. Furtherly, we cannot be add the term. Here the variables are same, but the powers are different. It is an unlike term. So this is the answer. Just add the two terms. That's all. 4a square plus 9a cube. That is the answer for addition of the polynomial. Only like terms can be added, and then like terms can be subtracted, and then this is the unlike terms. Variables are equal but the powers are differ, so it is not able to add. So this is the form of addition. So now first polynomial we take it as f of x. The polynomial is 2x cube plus 4x square minus 3x, and then g of x is the second polynomial. We take it as 2x square minus 3x plus 2. We want to add these two terms. Suppose we want to add this two polynomial means, first of all we have to arrange like this: 2x cube plus 4x square minus 3x. Second, x square, you have to write it in the terms of x square minus 3x and then constant term. Now adding this term, here we have 2 plus, both having the negative symbol, minus x. Say the variables are same, the powers of the variables also equal, then only we can add, right? Here also we have 6x square, here 2x cube. So this is the answer. 2x cube plus 6x square minus 6x plus 2 is the answer. Here you should not be add that different powers. Different powers should not be add as it is. We have to leave it. This is the addition of the polynomial. Next one, subtraction of polynomial. What we have applied in the addition, here the same condition is satisfied for the subtraction also. Only the like terms can be, subtracted, or like terms can be added. Unlike term is not able to subtract or add. So here I am going to take it as the first one 9a square, second one 5a square. Now we want to subtract these two terms means 9a square minus 5a square is equal to 4a square. Here both having the a square, so I take it a square, and then 9 minus 5. Actually it is, you should not be cancel the variables. You must subtract only the coefficient. Right? The variables, if I take both having the common term means a square will be taken out commonly, right? So 9 minus 5 is equal to a square. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4a square. While you are subtracting or adding, the variable should not be add or subtract. Only the coefficient of that variable should be add or subtract. Only the constant terms in between that, right? The real numbers only we have to add or subtract. Here also only the like terms only we have to subtract. Unlike terms, suppose this is 9a square, this is 5a power 4. This term, see that variables having different power, so we cannot be subtract it. So 9a square minus 5a power 4 is the answer. Just like that, this is the unlike terms. The variables are same, but the powers are differ, so it is not able to add or subtracted, right? Next, multiplication of two polynomials. For the multiplication, we not to check the variables power or variables, just we multiple whatever the number is given. Suppose I take it here 9a square 5a square means when they are multiplying this two term 9a square into 5a square, see 9 5s are 45. Here a square, here also we have a square into a square is a power 4. Here for the multiplication, not only you are multiplying the coefficient of the variable and then you have to multiply the variables. Here a square, here also a square. We know the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. See, the base are equal, it is in the product form, then we add the power of the terms. That is the condition. So the base a, here also a, it is in the multiplication, then we add the power. So for the multiplication there is no restriction for to multiple any variables, any, right? Now it is a 9a square and then 5x square. Now we want to multiply this two terms, 9a square into 5x square. 9 5s are 45. Here we have a square into x square. This is the multiplication terms, right? Only addition and subtractions only we are going to see the like terms, but in the multiplication we are not seeing the like terms or unlike terms or same variables or different variables. We didn't see anything, just we are multiplying the terms. This is the multiplication of polynomial. And then in lower classes we have already find out what is the binomial into binomial and monomial into monomial, like this, right? So suppose 2a is the one of the term and 5a square plus 5b is the another term, means you have to multiple this term, means each and every term you have to multiple, right? That is the condition. 2 5s are 10. A into a square is a power 3 plus 2 5s are 10. A into b is ab. So this is the monomial into a binomial form. So in this step, when we are multiplying, we didn't see the like term or unlike term or having the power equal or not equal. Just we are multiplying the coefficient and we need the answer, right? Thank you, students.